Hi everyone, welcome to Science with Sam. This is our April theme and we're making catapults. We're going to make two catapults, one small one that's a little bit easier for beginners and one of a medium size that's a little bit harder to make, but I will show you how in this video. What you're going to need for this are popsicle sticks, rubber bands, and one stick that has a cap glued to it. That's going to be the cup that holds your ball. And so I'm also going to give you a little bouncy ball to put in there to shoot off. You got to test your catapult. Anyway, come on and join me, and I'm going to show you how to make these catapults and the science behind them involving physics. All right, here we go. All right, so a catapult works because energy can be converted from one type to another and transferred from one object to another. So when you prepare a catapult to launch, like we are going to do with the ball in this catapult, you add energy to it. This energy is stored in the launching device right here as potential or stored energy. And the catapult you are about to make uses elastic potential energy stored in these wooden sticks as you bend it. And when you let go, this stored energy is released and converted into the energy of motion and transferred to the missile, which then flies through the air. So watch as that goes. And that's what we're going to be making with our first one. So you'll get your 8 small sticks and you're going to stack them on top of each other, just like this. And then you're going to take your first rubber band and you're going to wrap it around one end like I've already done here. Then you'll take your first big stick, the one without the cup on the end, and you're going to put it in between the last popsicle stick and the 7th popsicle stick. Alright, and then you'll take one more rubber band and you'll rubber band the other end of the 8 sticks. Alright, then you'll take the popsicle stick with the cup on the end. You'll take one more rubber band and you will rubber band these ends right here to hold that down. And that is your first catapult right there, easy peasy. So we'll put the ball in, pull it back, and watch it fly. Alright, now on to the more difficult catapult. This one involves a lot more popsicle sticks. You have a base, you have arms, and you have a way to pull it back and shoot it. So this one, I'm going to explain a little bit further. When pushing the stick down farther takes more effort from you, and it takes more to exert the force and work harder to bend the stick. This means more potential energy gets stored in the stick. So when you let go, all of this potential energy is converted into the energy of motion, and the missile or ball flies through the air at a higher speed. So in this case, when you pull back, the more you pull back, probably the further your ball goes. So I already started the base for this one, and what you're going to do is make a square out of 4 large popsicle sticks. So you have one at each corner where you make it, and I'll show you. You just connect them all like this. Alright, so once you have that base, you're also going to make 2 pairs of arms for that. So I already started one, and I'm going to show you how to make the second one. So you'll take 2 popsicle sticks, and you'll take your rubber band and you'll wind it both around through the top and through the side. So it gives you plenty of space because you're going to have an arm or a popsicle stick going through the middle. So we have our 2 standing parts and our base. Next, we're going to connect the 2. So you'll take one standing part and you'll put it through to go on one side, like so. And you will connect it using a rubber band. The way I do it is I wrap it around the stick and the combined 2 base sticks. And then I take one piece and I wrap it around, whoop, through the back and the middle to attach it to the base. And that way it doesn't fall over. And you'll do it with each side and both sides of these. And I'll do that real quick now so you can see the end result. Alright, now we have the base and it is connected to the two popsicle sticks. You might notice a pull, and that means you just need to adjust it a little. It's a little too tight. Alright, so we made two catapults and that's what they look like. I hope you had a lot of fun with us with Science with Sam. The Catapult kits will go out on April 1st, the first Friday of April. We have 25 of them. It's first come, first serve. I hope you have a lot of fun and make sure to be careful. Don't hurt anyone by throwing stuff at them with your catapult. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys!